Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e Sport, finished in a bluestone metallic exterior paintwork. With this vehicle you do get the full M Performance styling kit, which includes a front splitter you can see just there, as well as a few other bits which we'll see as we go around the vehicle. We've got the black kidney grills at the front. We do have 4 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent condition. We've got the charging port on the left just there, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this about. We've got the black side skirts at the side just there, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna on top. We've then got some e-drive badging. As we come to the rear, you'll notice we do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've then got the black diffuser with dual exit exhausts. Have a look inside this boot. Huge amount of space in here, as you can see. We've got our charging cables on the left just there as well. Close that up. We've also got the spoiler lip attached there as well. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at one of those alloy wheels. Now, as we go on to the inside of the vehicle, you'll notice we do have full black Dakota leather throughout. Got some lovely blue stitching throughout as well. Fold down armrest with 2 good sized cup holders. We've got ISO fixed points within these seats. We've got our vents in the middle with 12-volt connectivity and additional storage. Storage behind the front passengers there. On the doors here we've got our brushed metal handle, some more leather trim with the blue stitching, uprated premium Harman Kardon sound system, and additional storage with electric window control just there too. Now, as we go on to the front, you'll see we've got some more full Dakota leather in here, again with the blue stitching. We've got some M Sports colours just there too. On the doors we've got lock and unlock button, the premium Harman Kardon uprated sound system. We've then got electric power folding wing mirrors, electric window control with child lock for the rear. We've got more leather with blue stitching, another speaker and additional storage. We've then got a boot release and the release for the fuel cap there too. And as you will notice, these seats are electrically adjustable like so, very easy to use. Now, as we come in, as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 67,900 miles, and I'll start the car up, foot on the brake, push the button, there we go. With it being a hybrid, it's a very quiet startup. As you can see, we do not have any warning lights on the dashboard either. We do have this digital display, which if we change driving mode, so at the moment we're in comfort, the display will change depending on which mode we're in. So modes wise, we've got Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, things like speed limiter, cruise control. We've then got phone controls, volume controls, etc. Paddle shift just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wipers on the right just there. Coming into the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. We've got navigation on display at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like DAB radio, FM, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect to our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now, if I go into the menu here, my vehicle, vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting. As you can see, we do also have ambient lighting in this vehicle with plenty of colours to choose from, which looks fantastic at night time. Now, if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll notice we do have a visual display of both front and rear sensors just there. Now, moving down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts just there, a button for our assist systems, intelligent safety there as well. We've then got dual zone climate controls, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Both front passengers are treated to heated seats, which work exactly how you would expect. We do also have air conditioning, as you can see just there too. Now, below here we do have 2 good sized cup holders. We've got USB connectivity, additional storage space and 12-volt connectivity there as well. We've then got our gear stick just here, so obviously we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, but when we go into drive we can also flick across and go down or up the gear like so. We've then got our control wheel for the infotainment screen. We've got our traction control, we've got our mode selects just here, so the Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. We've got a button for e-drive and a button to turn off or on our parking sensors. Then we've got an electronic handbrake with auto hold, and a soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 530e. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. So starting off, we do have cruise control, which we activate by pressing cruise, pressing up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at 60 miles an hour. Very easy to adjust the speed like so as well. To cancel, I can press the cruise button or apply pressure to the brake. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, 6th gear, sorry, down to 5th, down to 4th, down to 3rd, up to 4th, up to 5th, 6th and 7th. And as you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions through all of those gears. No jerky motions at all, no unwanted sounds, working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. It's a good point to mention that this is a hybrid vehicle, of course, so you will have very low running costs when you are driving this about. Obviously we've got the different dynamic modes. We've got Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. All of, well, Sport we can put into individual and configure different components to suit our taste exactly. Then we've got Comfort, which is a balanced setting, and then Eco Pro, again, you can configure individual settings should you wish. So when you're in Eco, it will be driving as efficiently as possible. You'll have things like your start-stop technology on, you'll have your consumption meter on the display just there, so you can have a live feed of what mileage, mile per gallon you are getting. Really clever technology. And it's an incredibly comfortable vehicle as well. We've got the full leather interior with heated seats for both front passengers. We've got electrical adjustments on our right just here, so it's easy to get comfortable as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your own safety and ours. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check these reviews out, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a pleasant buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to give us a follow on both of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. Now turning in, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, visual display of both front and rear sensors, all working exactly as it should. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to book an appointment if you wish to view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, a video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to help you out. But until then, that's all from me. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.